Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen with Chef Kelly for our recipe of the week. What do you have going?
Well, we got some venison steaks today, and I thought that one of my go-to recipes in the kitchen, for all restaurants I've ever worked at, has been a au poivre sauce. So it's a pan sauce, and we're going to do a variation on that. We're going to make a whiskey peppercorn sauce. It's the same family. It's all going to be done right in the pan. Okay?
Well, deer's one of my favorite.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
It's lean, so make sure that we're going to absolutely kind of keep this medium rare. Okay.
Yes.
Because once you start to get a little too more on the medium well done side, you're going to start getting all those flavors that everybody doesn't really quite like.
Yeah, and you've got all the gray skin off of there.
Yeah, all that silver skin is all chopped off there. We're going to season both sides. Just like any other thing, no one-sided seasoning.
Yeah, because that silver skin makes it kind of tough.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Yep.
Yes. All right, so we're going to switch my little kit
Okay.
over here. Okay, got a pan nice and good and hot. You see, got a little smoke going. Right? So.
All ready to go?
Yep. Got our steaks.
Love that sound.
Right?
Yep.
And remember, we're always going to be, when you put something in the pan, fling it away from you. It's just, some people, they go this, I'm going to throw it in there and then I'm going to run away. That's not a good plan. Not a good plan.
Yeah.
The oil will win at some point.
Every time.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. So we're getting some good color. Want to keep it this stove not the levelest, right?
So you get the oil going underneath.
Right?
Yep. Looks amazing. So I see you have some asparagus over here.
Yes, asparagus. I have that pre-blanched, and all blanching is, in the restaurant, what we do is we'll take a big pot of water, salt it, and then cook our vegetables in the water, and then pull it out, and then put it in an ice bath so that it can stop the cooking process.
And you cook them to about 70%, right?
Yeah, about 75%, and then you're going to finish the cooking process in the pan. And so that's how we cook it.
Yeah, anybody that knows how to cook asparagus, I mean, we always have the problem of that balance, finding the balance of being too done or not done enough. So that kind of cuts that out, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So you see, we got some good color. Okay, we're done.
All right. Well, look how quick that was.
How quick was that, right? Okay, so now you can see there's a little bit of brown. We call it fond in the restaurant business.
Fond.
Fond. It's the French call it fond. And that's all your flavor here. So we're trying to pick that up. We're adding a little bit of shallots.
All
These
right.
are shallots. You can find them in any store. Okay, they're those little guys. Like
Dice them up.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be adding. This is a whiskey peppercorn sauce, so we're adding our whiskey. And there are some dangers to this.
Danger.
Right? So we got a little bit of caramelized right there.
All right.
We're adding our whiskey off the flame.
Oh.
And
Off the flame.
And not straight out of the bottle. Okay? How you're going to have an accident is that this is on, it's on the fire, and you take the bottle of whiskey and go right to it. Yeah. That's a guaranteed way to make an explosion in your hand. So off the flame, and I usually put it in a separate container and pour it in there.
Well, thank goodness, because Dwayne's off duty today.
Right?
Right? He wouldn't come and save us.
No?
No.
So we're all reduced down. There's a little bit of beef stock.
All right.
Okay. A touch of cream. Okay. And we're going to be using two types of peppercorns. We're using green peppercorns. These are the ones you're going to find by your capers. They are not capers by any means. These are actual peppercorns that are soaked in brine, and they're kind of a little bit softer, milder,
Yeah, so the difference between them is capers are...
Capers are actual like a flower bud, and they're totally different. They're not even related. People look at them, oh, they're like caper. No, not even.
Well, that's exactly where I was.
Right? I usually crush these guys just a little bit. Just get a little more flavor out of them.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then the other pepper we're going to add is some fresh ground pepper. There you go. I just took a pan and put those peppercorns on the cutting board and just kind of roll it over just a few at a time. It's easier to do it just a few at a time. But otherwise, if you try to do it like all of them at the same time, they go shooting off everywhere.
So you crush your own.
Yeah, I crush my
Yeah.
fresh peppers, absolutely better. If you wanted to use, your pepper grinder, that's fine too. Okay, so we're getting there. Okay, obviously you see we're not using any kind of starch, so we just need this as a natural reduction sauce is what we call it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to switch pans.
What's so nice about this is pretty much we all have everything available in our houses on a normal basis for this
Yes,
dish.
I mean,
Yeah?
if you have, if you like whiskey, you should have that. Beef stock should be always in, part of your pantry. And maybe you get some, the green peppercorns and the cream. There you go. You have your sauce.
You're golden.
Right?
Ready.
So our steaks are still nice, beautiful, medium rare.
Yes.
Okay, so we're getting our pan hot as it's reducing right here. All right. Get a little bit of oil. A little extra salt.
All right. Extra pepper.
A little bit of pepper.
A little bit of pepper. Always like a lot of pepper.
Right?
Yep.
And when you saute this up, we're just going to get a little bit of color on it. We're almost there already.
Yeah. Wow. Wish we had smell-o-vision. At some point, you think we can have that, Chef?
Oh yeah, we'll have that.
It's coming, I know.
We actually used some brown sugar bourbon here, and you really can smell it.
Yeah, you can.
To it. I like it. I like our choice today. All right, so we're going to start plating up.
Okay.
We're going to plate here. We're going to build a base with our asparagus. So, are you liking this? This is actually keto friendly.
I'm loving it.
So,
don't even have to cheat.
What is keto
this week?
I don't know what that is. I know it's like a low carb kind of.
It's
high
very
protein.
low carb, medium protein, very high fat. I know that sounds wrong, but it is correct. It works.
It works?
Yep. A lot of people in the outdoors are doing it now. Yep.
Good. Okay.
And I don't think it's a fad.
There's our sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. Got our steaks.
How incredible. Oh.
All rested. Remember, we like to always try to rest our steaks.
Okay.
Typically, in the restaurants, you want, people are like, oh, they take it off the grill.
Right.
Oh, I want to eat it right now. Really, if you can, let's try to rest it as best as we can.
So you kind of like it when they take a little longer for your steaks.
Yes. You're doing you a favor.
So quit cussing them when you're waiting on your steak.
Right?
Ugh.
I'll get some of those goodies in the bottom.
The shallots and...
Yeah, the shallots and the green peppercorns and all that good stuff. A little bit of parsley. I don't see why that could be served in any steak restaurant anywhere in the country.
Let's lift that up a little bit. Or just raise it up?
Let's raise it
Yep,
up. Okay.
let's just raise it
There
up.
we go.
Raise it up high, Chef. Yeah. Well, this looks amazing, and I can't wait to dig in. But we are first going to go back to the guys in the studio for the rest of the show.